Welcome. Take a deep breath and relax. You are about to fill your mind and heart with powerful I am affirmation that will bring positivity, confidence, and success into your life. Listen with an open heart. Repeat each affirmation and allow these words to become your reality. Now, let's begin. Breathe in deeply and inhale slowly. Let's affirmation. I am grateful for this new day. I am strong, confident, and capable. I am open to new opportunity and possibilities. I am creating a life I truly love. I am worthy of success and happiness. I am attracting positivity. I am attracting success into my life. I am confident in my skill and abilities. I am open to receiving wealth. I am constantly growing and improving. I am aligned with my purpose and passion. I am capable of achieve my dreams. I am enough just as I am. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am kind to myself and speak with love. I am worthy of love, respect, and guidance. I am beautiful inside and outside. I am deserving of all the good things in life. I am calm, centered, and at peace. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am choosing happiness in every moment. I am letting go of fear and embracing joy. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am grateful for everything I have and everything that is come my way. Now, let these affirmations settle into your mind and soul. Listen to them daily and watch how your life transforms. Believe in yourself, trust your journey, and always remember you are powerful, you are worthy, and you are limitless. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wishing you a beautiful and abundant life ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video.